You can do it.
There's Mary.
You can do it. Absolutely. There are male cheerleaders. Think of Will Ferrell. Woo! We're all done watching Thomas. Yay! You guys are... Go team! You need it to be closer, honey. Closer. Right here. I don't... If you drop something, I don't know where it went, but it's okay because you've got more here. Honey, don't worry about her food, Lucia. Just keep to your own plate. Honey, no. Give it back to her.
I want another one.
Okay, Mommy will get you more. Can you sit over here on your side? Scooch over a little. There you go. Give room. Mommy will go get you another one.
Sit right here, Daddy.
I'm watching you kids. It's Dad or Rosie's.
Please. I'm just having a picture now of Rosie sitting down with, 12 other little tiny toddlers at the table eating. Like Lulu's, do you remember? You'd walk in the room and be amazing because they're all sitting down.
Look.
Look at that. Yeah, that's fine. It's for dipping as long as you eat the pretzel.
Can you do E? There you go. Power! Good girl.
They're not your baby chips, they're my baby chips. Because they're my baby chips. But you can't have them. They're mine. So you go here and talk. Well, what are we doing? We're
What did you want?
I want the dark fruit from Miss Jerry. Oopsie dozy.
Rosie might need help getting in.
Yeah, she does. Yeah, she does.
Well, you gotta put that on the ground, honey.
Ouch.
She gonna hide you? Is she trying to hide you? Yeah, show us how you do it, Lou.